Super lucky to witness the aurora last night. And look at that, so beautiful. It seldom appears and we're lucky to witness it. It's called Aurora Borealis. Beautiful.